Good morning from Coach Costa. Punch that like button. I got a small load in the back of the truck. It's before I go to my regular job. I'm gonna hustle and bring this stuff in just another day. And because every time I empty this truck bed, I make a little more money, can pay off some more dreams, down payments, and other good times. So if you want it, go out there and hustle. Get a truck. Don't buy some whip. Get a truck. Make money with that sucker. So let's head out there and see what we make today.
Hey everybody, make sure you strap your loads. These are just some box springs or like mattress springs, but they were the first thing to go in. Don't let anything fly out of the truck and hit anybody. Be safe. Talk to you soon.
So we made it here. Oh man, I gotta empty this truck out, then we'll see what's up. So I got Wade first. Yes, I gotta wear the hat, but you always gotta have your gloves too. Talk to you soon.
Man, it's a good feeling when you get it off. Just gotta sweep a little. Go get our last ticket, see how much we get for this little morning run. All right, I'm back and we're almost at the end of this video. This is like less than an hour of work, 500 pounds. Price is not as high as it once was, but still 180 per gross ton. Not too shabby. And because I'm a teacher, we gotta give the message. Stop talking about getting some fancy car when you're a young knucklehead. Get a truck. Go make some money. Now go hustle. And remember, if you want it, go get it. Now punch that like button. Subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. I got a variety of stuff on the channel. But if you want it, I look like the boomerang on Instagram. Go get it. Talk to you later. Love you guys.